Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
The Oasis network, ROSE, has certainly had somewhat of a resurgence over the most recent couple of days, ascending more than 23% such a long ways in August to really endure close at $0.1067. Notwithstanding, ROSE remains essentially down from the untouched certainly high of $0.5964 that it came to toward the beginning of the year. The organization generally has as of late sent off decentralized finance, DeFi, applications and framed organizations for cross-chain interoperability. In this video we take a gander at the most recent Oasis network news and the viewpoint at the ROSE symbolic cost. What generally is Oasis network? The center designer of the Oasis network by and large is Oasis Labs, which was established in 2018 by University of California at Berkeley teacher Don Song. Desert Spring Network creates DeFi applications, cross-chain interoperability. It charges itself as the main protection-empowered, versatile blockchain network for open money and a capable information economy, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Sent off in October 2020, the organization is in reverse viable with the Ethereum blockchain, empowering designers to bring decentralized applications, DApps, across to the Oasis blockchain, such the Decentralized Trade, DEX, Uniswap. ROSE is the local utility token for the organization, which is utilized to pay exchange expenses and for marking and assignment at the agreement layer. The token was sent off with a circling supply of 1.5 billion out of an all-out fixed cap of 10 billion. Around 2.3 billion tokens will be paid out to stakers and delegators over the long haul as remunerations for getting the organization, which is very huge. There are as of now roughly 5.03 billion ROSE tokens available for use, giving it a market capitalization of just shy of $535 million at the hour of composing, August 8, 2022, and positioning it the 82nd biggest cryptographic money. Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, cost examination, further moves towards interoperability. On 11th of January, Oasis said that Binance Labs, the speculation arm of crypto trade Binance, added to the Oasis ecosystem fund, carrying its all-out accessible cash flow to $200 million. The Oasis ecosystem fund puts resources into creating applications on the Oasis network, including DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, metaverse and security applications, as well as the tokenization and administration of information. Desert Spring will offer further monetary help with the $500,000 DApp Radar X Oasis Accelerator program presented on February 9, 2022. The asset will uphold designers building applications on the Oasis network, particularly for DeFi, play to procure gaming and protection. Out of those, 10 of the best undertakings will be chosen, beginning in April, to get an award of up to $50,000 in ROSE coins each. Desert Garden likewise really declared on 11th of January that DeFi went live on the organization, with the Uniswap DEX and Wormhole Bridge sending off on the mainnet. Uniswap empowers token holders to take part in liquidity pools, exchange and acquire yields. The Wormhole Bridge interfaces Oasis with nearly $1 billion of all-out esteemed locked TVL across the Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain, BSC, Ethereum, Polygon, Solana and Terra blockchains. Clients can move Ethereum-based ERC20 tokens across the scaffold. On 17th of February, the WePiggy loaning convention sent off on the Oasis network, beginning with loaning USDT, ETH and ROUS, with different tokens to come. The Oasis network is versatile and ideal for DeFi because of its moment conclusion, close to 100% lower gas expenses versus Ethereum, exceptionally high throughput, security insurance, and guard against MEV, minor, maximal extractable value, the declaration basically said. Desert Garden reported further moves towards interoperability on 7th of February through an organization with Solar Seed Bridge, which is very critical. The association gives Oasis network clients moment, minimal expense moves among Oasis and other Seed Bridge upheld blockchains and Layer 2 organizations. Moreover, Oasis Network and Solar Network will investigate environment amazing open doors in the recently sent off Solar Interchain message, SolarIM, framework, which will permit Oasis-based dApp engineers to make between-chain applications with effective liquidity use, reasonable rationale, and shared states. This implies that clients can profit from a multi-chain biological system with a solitary exchange client experience, the declaration said, which is genuinely huge. On 16 February, Oasis Network said it had coordinated with a multi-chain, a switch for the third age Web3, created for erratic cooperations across blockchains. From this point forward, cross-chain moves of 5 resources, ETH, WBTC, USDT, USDC, DAI, between Oasis Network and Ethereum, and 2 resources, BUST, BNB, between Oasis Network and BSC are accessible on multi-chain. Oasis Network said that more resources will be included once in store. On 22 February, Oasis said that GemKeeper.finance finished its Spec-Shield security review, turning into the for the most part second DeFi convention on Oasis to have finished the review. GemKeeper is giving Bling, its administration token, impetus prizes for the Oasis Rose coin matched with Wormhole USDT, as well as Rose matches with a multi-chain Bust, Link, AVIX, FTM, USDC and BNB. The Oasis Network token cost especially energized by over 933% in 2021, moving from $0.04158 in January to end the year at $0.4298. The cost arrived at an unequaled high of $0.5964 on January 15, 2022, however at that point dropped back to a low of $0.2103 toward the finish of February in a significant manner. The cost would keep on battling, falling genuinely further to $0.08404 toward the finish of July, prior to bouncing back somewhat back up to $0.1033 at the hour of composing on August 8, 2022. Could the cost at any point bounce back proceed, or will fall back under tension? We should essentially take a gander at what the most recent Oasis Network crypto estimates demonstrate. Desert Garden Network, ROSE, cost expectation, long-term viewpoint. The transient feeling on the Rose coin was unbiased at the hour of composing, 8th of August, with 17 specialized investigation pointers giving bullish signs contrasted and 12 negative signs, or so they generally thought. The average directional index and volume-weighted moving average, VWMA, showed purchase signals, while the relative strength index, RSI, stochastic quick, stochastic RSI and Williams percent range were negative.